In this video, we're going to solve this question. Given the equation 2x plus 3y equals 5, x and y are bigger than or equal to 0, then what is the maximum value of xy? First step, we're going to use AMGM inequality. So then what is AMGM inequality? So is this when a and b are bigger than or equal to 0, then the arithmetic mean a plus b divided by 2 is bigger than or equal to the geometric mean, the square root a times b. So we're going to apply the AMGM inequality to the left-hand side of the equation, 2x plus 3y. Then 2x plus 3y divided by 2. Then based on this inequality, then it's bigger than or equal to square root 2x times 3y. Because the top is the left-hand side of the equation, then equals the right-hand side 5. So we can use a 5 to replace the top. So then we have here just 5 over 2 is bigger than or equal to, so 2 times 3, that's 6. Then square root x times y. So here x and y are bigger than or equal to 0. Next, both sides divided by square root of 6. Then square root x times y is less than or equal to 5 over 2 times square root of 6. Then square both sides. Then x times y is less than or equal to 25 over 24. So now we need to check. So 25 over 24 is reachable for x times y. Because for this AMGM inequality, the equality holds true when a equals b. So then for our case is when 2x equals 3y. So now let's see. So if 2x equals 3y, then based on our equation, so this is a given equation, just 2x plus 3y equals 5. Then if we use 2x to replace 3y, then we have this equation. So we have 2x plus 2x equals 5. Then solve for x. Then x equals 5 over 4. So if we use 5 over 4 to replace x here, so then we solve for x, solve for y. Then we have 2 times 5 over 4, then equals 3 times y. Then solve for y. Then y equals 5 over 6. Now let's see what's x times y. Then x times y just equals, this is x, then just 5 over 4 times 5 over 6. Then just equals 25 over 24. So then we have the maximum value of x, y, just equals 25 over 24. So then 25 over 24 is the answer for this question. Thanks for watching.